Now this illustration is still showing methods that can be used to support an overhead drop from a utility transformer to the building. Now notice in the illustration to the left, identified as 3, notice that the utility drop is being supported to a rafter, which provides a good support as long as that rafter is protected with the roofing. Then notice the conduit is not being used, but the rafter is. So the offset is around the rafter there, and the rafter is being used as a support with the end of the rafter U-bolt type connection that you see right next to the building rafter in the illustration. Now, dropping down to 4, we have a mass attachment. And notice to the right, we have the 4-inch steel channel minimum. And notice this attachment could be made to a service mast, which would basically be usually a 2-inch conduit that either supported well to the side of the structure of the building, or it's attached to a service riser through the overhang that we looked at previously that could set back at least 4 foot from the overhang, and up 18 inches is where that attachment, mast attachment, would take place. So figure 6-15B is just showing a mass attachment that is attached to a conduit system, which is usually 2-inch rigid conduit required by the state, county, city, or the utility, or all of them together require this type of installation.